Hi, I'm Jack. Welcome to the battery shop.
This Lexus GS350 has this 12-volt battery right here under the hood. But this has got a lot of electronics on this vehicle, so before you begin a project like this, we always recommend that you check with the vehicle manufacturer's step-by-step instructions to be sure you're familiar with the project. You have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and you can safely and effectively replace the battery in this vehicle. Here's how it's done.
With gloves and safety glasses on, the first step is to connect the memory saver to save the computer's memory while installing the new battery. Next, with a 10mm wrench, loosen the fastener to the negative battery cable. Then, remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal. Then, loosen the fastener for the positive battery cable. And remove the positive cable retaining clip. And the cable retainers. Now we can remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal. Next, with your 10mm wrench, remove the fastener for the battery hold-down bracket. And remove the battery hold-down bracket. Then, remove the battery hold-down cage. Now we can remove the old battery from the vehicle. And install the replacement battery. Next, reinstall the battery hold-down cage. And reinstall the battery hold-down bracket. And tighten the fastener. Next, reinstall the positive battery cable onto the positive battery terminal.
But don't pound these terminals on, as this can cause internal battery damage.
And tighten the fastener. Then, reinstall the negative battery cable to the negative battery terminal and tighten the fastener. Now we can remove the memory saver. Now we're done.